You'd see Filipino shining dance. Now, get ready to feel it through music. All the way from the Philippines, bringing passion, heart, and soul to the stage. Introducing first ever single, Dugot Pawis, performed by one of the powerful vocalists of Six Corner Band. Let's give a round of applause. Welcome to enjoy.
Sino din ba ng picture? Kaya mo yata.